Today, I'm at one of the most unique residential properties in the country, and over a century since it was built, I'm going to show you around. Welcome to the Tynemouth Watchtower. To protect our land during the First World War, the War Office constructed two large guns to protect the Tyne with a 7-storey command tower. The tower was used again during World War II as a lookout, and in 1967 the Ministry of Defence sold it. Made of reinforced concrete, this historic Grade 2 listed building has phenomenal uninterrupted views out over Tynemouth Castle and all the way up to the Cheviots. The unique shape of this property is instantly recognisable, with a curved front and straight back, blending Art Deco inspired design with brutalist architecture. The 6-storey would have been the original lookout to sea, and it is now the living room. On every level down there's 5 additional rooms, each round in shape thanks to the curve of the property. There's 3 bedrooms, a bathroom, and on the ground floor a fitted kitchen. Like some of you, many of my family were involved in the World Wars, and I'm proud today to list such a unique property that's a special part of British North East history. I'm Michael Mortimer, and I hope you've enjoyed the tour, and of course, the view. Until next time.